We could drive to that place we went to last year.
Psst.
What?
Down here.
Hey!
Come on, that's not a holiday, that's a habit. Go overseas before you get too old. Take the kids.
Okay. Where?
Take them to Hollywood.
Hollywood. You could take them on the Universal Studios tour.
Can you be going?
Nah, can't afford it this year.
That's why I've got the Qantas Escape plan. Look, how to get there when the kitty is there. Everything you need to know to escape on an overseas holiday is in the Qantas Escape plan.
Is it?
Get one from Qantas or your travel agent and escape.
Lovely. Ah! You need a holiday.
Yeah.